Yo, welcome to Ride with Chant. Yo, sometimes I just be buying stuff, but I found a solution to a problem I ain't even know I had. Well, I knew I had the problem, and we all might have had the problem sometime, where you got your tender, and it'd be sitting there, especially us cold weather riders, and you plug into your tender, and then as you're going down the road, the wind just, I don't know, magically blow, or you got to tape it or something like that. Well, I found a solution. This little joint right here. I don't know what it's called, but it's gonna fix that. So we're gonna do a little installation. Let me zoom y'all in, because it goes right here where you screw on your saddlebag. I had to go ahead and take the clip off so I can get the little bolt up through there. But let me show y'all something. Check this out, man. Because might be one of the best investments for a winter ride. Let me put my little Loctite on here real quick, because we know everything on the Harley gonna vibrate and shake. Alright? So boom. Just take your little Allen head bolt, run that up through there. Come with a washer and a nut. Let me zoom y'all in real quick. Come right up through there. We're gonna take this little piece. We're gonna put that there. Hold that right there. Washer. We're gonna put the nut on. And we're gonna go ahead and tighten this joint down. It ain't even much to it. Don't even really require an installation video, for real. What size Allen key is this? You're gonna need a 3/16 Allen key and a 10mm socket. So I'm gonna go ahead and crank this joint down. Alright, come on up out of there now. Boom. Got that cranked down. We're gonna put our little saddlebag clip back on. Somehow, some way, something's always gonna give you a little something. Saddlebag clip back on. Then all we're gonna do right here, we're gonna plug the tender in, this tender extension. I guess that's what we're gonna call it. Boom. Plug that in right there. We're gonna tuck that in there, just like that. Make sure all that's tucked away. We're gonna put this side cover on, back on. Boom. Just like that, we in the game. Easy enough. Look at that. Now go to plug the bike up. Boom. Just like that. Now she on the tender. And she's charging. We ain't even got to worry about that coming back out no more. Right. Hook my speakers back up, and we back in the game. Now that just sit there, pull it on up out of here, put the cover back on. We ain't got to worry about all that running across here, running across that. Now we in there, boom, just like that, too easy. I'll link the description to where I got it. It was like 30 bucks. It's a problem, like I said, some of us have it, but it don't really be a big deal. We usually just tape the tender or something like that when we ride for the heated suit. But easy solution, just like that. Shit, y'all be easy, be cool. Remember, break bread, not bonds. Legendary Miles, baby.